How to save the image from Safari to the photo gallery in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Safari and then open a photo you want to save. Then simply click on photo and press and hold on photo. And then here you can see the option save to photos. Now simply click on save to photos and it will be saved in my photo gallery. Now go back to your home screen and open photos, and here you can see it will save. So this is the way to save image from Safari to the photo gallery in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.